Hello, as usual, you know me as Pastor George. I'm George Spratz and I'm in town to give you something very special on Soukous 1415 in the key of A. I'll be covering some beautiful Soukous lines from Sina Makosa and some others that I invented on my own. This is going to be one of the best videos you've ever come across. I promise you. I will not speak much, I'll go straight to the point. I'll play the chords first, 1415, before I zoom into action. Just follow the notes and you'll be good to go. In case you don't see my fingers here, don't worry. I will display the neck diagram behind me and the notes are clearly represented on this neck diagram. So you can just follow and play. Just take your time, relax. The introduction is so beautiful. Listen to this. I'm key A, and the scale is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. So I'm holding mi and do at the same time. So mi and do, then so and do, then sol, la, so, fa, re, mi, do. This one is so easy. Sol, la, mi, sol, la, fa, la, sol, la, mi, sol, la, ti, so. That's what I'm playing, but I also try and create some variations of it. You can do that on your own too. So la ti so, so la ti so, so la mi, so la fa, la, so la mi, so la ti so. This next lines are duets. How do I play them? Alright? I held fa and then re at the same time. Ta 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 ta, and I play la and fa, then so and mi, so re and fa, then La and Fa, then So and Mi, then Re and Ti, back to Fa and Re, then Mi and Do. We are at the G shape of A, you see? G shape of A. So that's the main thing, and sometimes I vary it a little, slightly. And you can do that on your own, okay? Do do do, so do do so do la, fa mi re do ti, do 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 so do la, fa mi re do ti, do 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 so do la, fa mi re do ti, do 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 so do la, fa mi re do ti, do 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 so do la. Do, mi, do, to, la, then fa, la, do, fa, la, so, mi, do, la, ti, fa, mi, re, mi, do, fa, mi, re, mi, do. So take your time. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you waiting for? And have you clicked on the notification bell? If you haven't, please do, so in case we upload any new video, you don't miss it. If you are only interested in learning guitar, then this is the place to be. And in case you're looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with a pro, a maestro, please pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Yes, I do organize lessons for beginners, have lessons for intermediates, and lessons for even advanced and very advanced students. See you again and soon.